So welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm gonna do some eggplant. I'm gonna bake the eggplant. I've already chopped the eggplant. They're organic eggplant and they're from the Joseph family. I'm gonna take this eggplant, I'm gonna put some seasoning in it, some onions, some lovage, some leeks, a little bit of salt, some non-soy teriyaki sauce, pasta sauce, which is homemade by the Joseph family. And I'm also going to put some olive oil in there. So I'm going to put all of those in there and I'm going to bake it at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. So let me put those together. Okay, so all the mixing is done and it's in this baking dish. I'm gonna cover it up. It looks good. It looks as if it's ready to eat. So let's go ahead and let's put this in the oven at 380 for 30 to 35 minutes. So let's do this. Okay, so we're all done with the eggplant, the baked eggplant. I did bake it at 30 to 35 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks really good. You can have it with your carbohydrate, your quinoa or your rice or your pasta, whichever one you want, whatever protein that you like to have it with. You can go ahead and do this. Like I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.